Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Exness, OctaFX, and JustMarkets. Exness, OctaFX, and JustMarkets offer strong Forex trading platforms with different needs. Exness is a reliable broker known for fast trade execution and low trading costs, making it popular among active traders. It provides access to a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. It is easy to navigate and offers useful tools suitable for both new and experienced traders. Customer support is available 24/7 and is generally helpful, although it is limited in some regions. On the other hand, OctaFX is a popular online broker that helps people trade currencies, Forex, gold, and cryptocurrencies. It offers low fees, fast trade execution, and a clean, beginner-friendly app and website. Many users like its copy trading features, which lets you follow and copy top traders. However, some have complained about slow withdrawals or delays with the customer service. Overall, it's a decent choice for beginners and casual traders looking for a simple trading experience. Meanwhile, JustMarkets is a user-friendly online trading platform that offers a range of financial instruments. With competitive spreads and leverage options, it caters to both beginners and experienced. However, its educational resources could be more comprehensive. The platform's customer support is generally responsive and helpful. In my opinion, Exness is best for serious traders, OctaFX for beginners, and JustMarkets for those seeking account variety with moderate features. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.